Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best super useful car gadgets that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Fitosi Car Interior Duster Detail Brush Cleaning Gel Kit. This gadget is a dream for anyone who loves keeping their car spotless and dust-free. It comes with multiple cleaning tools, including a soft microfiber duster brush, cosmetic-grade bristle brushes, vent detail brushes, and a cleaning gel for those hard-to-reach areas. The brushes are specifically designed to be scratch-free, making them perfect for delicate surfaces like dashboards and air vents. The cleaning gel is especially handy for picking up crumbs and dust from tight spaces, ensuring no nook or cranny is left untouched. In terms of design, the kit is thoughtfully put together with high-quality materials. The microfiber brush is durable and efficient, while the cosmetic braid bristles on the white brush are both soft and dense, making it ideal for sensitive areas. The compact size of the brushes and gel makes storage and usage a breeze. Performance-wise, this kit excels at precision cleaning. The different brushes cater to various surfaces, and the gel is perfect for those tricky gaps that are otherwise impossible to clean. The kit's versatility makes it a great choice for cleaning not just your car, but also home keyboards, windows, and other small spaces. However, the downside is that it's primarily a cleaning tool. So if you're looking for a more multifunctional gadget, this might not be for you. Overall, this kit is perfect for car enthusiasts who value a pristine interior. Coming in at number 4 is the Slack Gear Shift Hoodie, a fun and stylish addition to your car's interior. This adorable hoodie for your gear shift knob is made from soft velvet fabric, offering both comfort and durability. Not only does it add personality to your vehicle, but it also protects the shift knob from scratches, dust, and damage. The design is available in multiple colors, making it easy to match your car's aesthetic or add a pop of color. Plus, it's machine washable, so cleaning it is a breeze. The design is compact yet functional, with upgraded dimensions to fit most shift knobs up to 2.2 inches in diameter. The velvet material feels luxurious and is gentle on your hands during use. It's a quirky accessory that doubles as a protective cover, making it ideal for colder climates where the shift knob can get uncomfortably cold. While the Gear Shift Hoodie is undeniably cute, its practicality is somewhat limited compared to other gadgets on this list. It doesn't offer any functional upgrades to your car, aside from aesthetic appeal and basic protection. However, it's a perfect gift for anyone who loves adding a touch of personality to their vehicle. If you're looking to make your car's interior stand out, this is a must-have. At number 3, we have the Hotor Car Trash Can with Lid, a compact and leak-proof solution to keep your vehicle clean and clutter-free. With its sleek diamond-shaped design, this trash bin fits seamlessly into cup holders, door pockets, or seat back pockets. It comes with 15 disposable trash bags, making waste disposal convenient and mess-free. The flipping lid closes automatically, blocking odors and keeping your car smelling fresh. The build quality of the Hotor trash can is impressive, with durable ABS material that ensures long-term use. The lid mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, and the waterproof interior makes it suitable for wet waste. Cleaning is simple. Just remove the lid, rinse it, and wipe down the interior. In terms of performance, this trash can is highly functional for both short commutes and long road trips. Its compact size doesn't compromise its usability, though it might be too small for larger families or heavy-duty trash disposal. While it's primarily a trash bin, it can also double as a storage organizer for small items, making it versatile for home or office use. If you're tired of dealing with loose wrappers or crumbs in your car, this gadget is a game changer. Taking the number 2 spot is the Hanper Super Universal Socket Tools, a versatile gadget that's perfect for DIY lovers and professionals alike. This universal socket can adjust to fit any size or shape between 7mm to 19mm. making it an all-in-one tool for bolts, nuts, wing nuts, eye bolts, and even irregular shapes. It's constructed from 54 chrome vanadium steel rods, ensuring durability and reliability during heavy-duty tasks. Plus, it comes with a power drill adapter, allowing seamless connectivity to electric drills and manual ratchets. The design is compact and portable, making it a great addition to any toolbox. Its silver finish gives it a sleek look, while the durable construction ensures it can handle tough jobs without breaking or wearing down. The socket is ideal for auto repairs, household maintenance, carpentry, and DIY projects. What sets this gadget apart is its ease of use and time-saving capabilities. Instead of fumbling around with multiple sockets, this universal tool allows you to switch between tasks effortlessly. That said, it's not ideal for extremely heavy-duty applications, as it's designed more for convenience than industrial-level work. If you're looking for a practical and unique gift for someone who loves working with tools, this is an excellent choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Amoca Car Seat Headrest Hook 4-Pack, a simple yet incredibly useful gadget that transforms your car's headrest into a convenient storage space. Made from premium ABS plastic, these hooks are durable and capable of holding up to 55 pounds each. They're perfect for hanging groceries, handbags, purses, backpacks, coats, and even baby supplies, ensuring your car stays organized and clutter-free. The design is practical, with an easy one-hand installation process that doesn't require removing the headrest or using any tools. The hooks are rotatable 360 degrees, allowing you to swing them to the front or back of the seat as needed. When not in use, they can be discreetly hidden under the headrest bar. This universal fit works with most cars, SUVs, and trucks, making it a versatile solution for almost any vehicle. The Amoca headrest hooks excel in performance by providing a sturdy and reliable storage option that saves space and prevents items from rolling around on the floor. While they're incredibly functional, the design is quite simple and may not appeal to those looking for a more decorative gadget. However, for those who value practicality and organization, this is hands down the best car accessory on the list. Whether you're a busy parent, a frequent traveler, or just someone who likes a tidy car, these hooks are a must-have. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you had any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.